to do this, or I would not live this day to tell you about it. The ringing in my ears had gotten so bad that I wanted to end it all there, as my wife and kids stared at me in shock. I grabbed my old power drill, aimed it at my head, and screamed in horror, "I'm getting you out of there, you hellish noise." But as I looked into Jimmy and Kathy's frightened eyes, my hands started trembling so bad that I dropped the tool on the floor. Ashamed and terrified, I stormed out of the house, went straight to the hospital, and forced them to take me in before I hurt myself or anyone else. I never in a million years wanted to put my wife and kids through that horrible moment, but I feel there's a very good reason why I need to share this story with you today. It's because it forced me to go on a dramatic 18-month journey through the dark side of the multi-billion-dollar pharmaceutical empire controlled by elite powers, and eventually led me to discover a completely natural and inexpensive solution that allows you to finally stop this debilitating noise in your ears. A method so powerful that removes tinnitus, restores your hearing, gives you back your mental clarity, and protects you from migraines, brain fatigue, and even dangerous brain disorders such as dementia and memory loss. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you the exact location of this debilitating noise, why tinnitus has nothing to do with your ears, but with a little known and yet highly dangerous activity happening inside a tiny part of your brain right now, and how using this easy-to-follow solution is the only way to stop all the buzzing, hushing, whooshing, and ringing inside your ears. Restore your perfect hearing and shield yourself from memory loss, dementia, and other dangerous brain disorders. This method is so incredible, it's been clinically proven to work on anyone, no matter if you're 20 or 80 years old. No matter how bad the ringing in your ears has become, or you've been suffering from tinnitus for 10 weeks or 10 years. And no matter your current medical condition, you'll finally be able to regain your silence without spending a dime on dangerous drugs, life-threatening surgery, or useless sound therapy. Just imagine never having to worry about that hellish noise in your ears. Your days will be blessed and quiet, full of happiness and joy. And every morning when you wake up, you'll hear the world in a clear, beautiful sound. No more having trouble sleeping. No more headaches. Not being able to concentrate or performing the simplest tasks. No more feeling angry and depressed all the time. And no more constantly asking your friends and family to repeat themselves or say, "What?" all the time. You'll be...
Finally, it's quiet. No more buzzing. No more nightmares. I got my life back. I can't remember when I felt this good in years.
I saw your method and said, no way. I mean, the research was there, the science is 100% accurate, and up to this day, I know all this, and yet I still can't believe that after 8 painful years, I no longer have to listen to that